Hey you guys, welcome back. Today I am showing you ladies how to slay your frontals or closures. This is a before I plucked and bleached the knots on this one, and this is the after. Yes. So I use the volume 20 cream developer with the BW2 bleach. This right here is me showing you ladies how I applied the frontal to the mannequin head. It's basically just reversed. I use T-pins to pin it down, and yeah, just make sure you have all of the hair pulled back so you don't get any on the hair. Right here, this is the most important step. Please make sure when you are applying the bleach that you are being very gentle. That is key. You do not, I repeat, do not slap the bleach onto that hair or that frontal, because it's going to go right through and it's going to be a disaster, and we don't want that. So this is just me showing you how I apply the bleach to the frontal. Be very gentle. Make sure you get all the little spots in the front, that especially in the front, the ones that are going to be showing that you need to bleach. And yeah, so once you're done, this is basically how it should look. And once you're done, what I do is I applied a shower cap to the mannequin head and I let it sit for 30 minutes. If you apply heat, it will develop faster, but I just let it do it on its own. So about 30 minutes for me is fine. It comes out just how I like it. Make sure you don't miss any spots. And here is just me showing you how it looks after I have bleached these knots, honey. Yes, okay. Oh, excuse my camera. I was doing stuff. But yeah, so this is how it looks after I washed all the bleach out, and I did a middle part here. I have not plucked anything. It did come pre-plucked, but I am going to pluck it some more. So yeah, this is basically how it looked after I was done. And this is just a close-up of the frontal, no plucking. And here is after I have plucked, honey, and slayed this frontal. Yes. That is so cute. Looks so good on her. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, share.